Deep under the capital, unseen by Londoners, a massive engineering project. It's a 10-minute journey to get to the front, and we were the first to be allowed to film in them.
There's a lot of existing infrastructure in London Underground already, all the tube tunnels, water tunnels, deep sewers and so on. So the alignment's selected to avoid all those and negotiate our way through under London.
This is the tunnel boring machine. Eventually 8 of these will be running under the capital.
This is as far as we're allowed to go, and we're not far away from the main cut-ahead, which is boring its way under London. When that's done its work, these huge concrete slabs are slotted into place. It goes at about 100 metres a week. At the moment, we're just south of Paddington on our way to Hyde Park and then Bond Street.
The machines run non-stop to reduce any movement in the tunnels that could cause subsidence. So far on the surface, Crossrail says there's been hardly any movement at all, just 1 centimetre. On board the machines, they also have their own kitchen and toilets.
It's basically a moving factory to dig the ground, to build the tunnel lining behind it, and to take the material away. I mean, the crew is very well trained. They've obviously got to work together and work as a team, and so that's a very slick operation now that the guys are here and up to speed.
In its wake is the tunnel, which will eventually be used by the trains.
It might be freezing up above, but it's hot and it's noisy in this tunnel. We're at the moment about 25 metres below the surface. Eventually, there'll be about 42 kilometres of these tunnels underneath the capital.
Those 30 miles of tunnels will be part of the project costing £15 billion, paid for in part through higher fares, business rates and government. Eventually the boring machine will break through here at Bond Street. This will one day be a ticket hall.
We have everything in place right now. The programme is in good shape. We have a team of 7,000 people that will double by this time next year, and we are very excited by the opportunity that this gives UK PLC to demonstrate how we can deliver major infrastructure programmes on time, on cost, safely, and setting an example across the world for quality for rail transport programmes.
There are at least 3 more years of tunnelling under the capital. Services should start in 2018. Tom Edwards, BBC London News.